For 30 years now, Almac has been dealing with the design and realization of machines, production lines, and automation for the pasta filata cheese industry. Thanks to the experience of its management and to the company's policy, Almac has always been sensitive and attentive to the evolution of the market, representing a preferential partner for the major Italian and foreign food groups. Research and studies enable continuous innovation, while the technical department, with the help of the new 3D CAD, designs and customizes our technologies for full satisfaction of our partners' requests. Almac can also provide support for the customer from a technological point of view, with the possibility to design the desired cheese in its own pilot research unit, thanks to our technological supervision backup. With Almac's experience and know-how, ideas become reality. Performance research, combined with high-quality standards, allow Almac to customize every part of its production technology in order to satisfy and match all market goals, in line with the Emilian tradition. Assemblage of the parts of machines and plants is overseen by specialized staff. Knowledge and experience help to create real artworks with the Almac brand. Every machine or production line built in the Almac facility has passed the test and is ready to be integrated and operated in the customer's production factory. With its range, Almac becomes a privileged partner for machines, production lines, and automation in the pasta filata cheese industry. Let's have a look at the main lines. Lines for the production of fresh mozzarella. Lines for the production of mozzarella for pizza. Lines for the production of provolone, caciocavallo, cashcaval, and cachar. Steam stretching line. Special machines. The human factor plays an important role in Almac. Worldwide, our customers are guaranteed the highest competence and professionalism during installation, startup, technical training, and after-sales service. With the support of DNV Italia, Almac has developed a quality management system in compliance with the international standard UNI and ISO 9001-2015, so as to ensure its customers the best quality standards. Almac has gained experience and knowledge on the different types of pasta filata cheeses. Almac installations have successfully reached production sites in almost all countries in the world, with customers' full satisfaction. Almac, plants, machinery, and automation for the dairy industry.